Here's a cool way to make money online where you don't have to show your face and it won't cost you a dime. First, go to clickbank.com and sign up. Now click on Affiliate Marketplace. There are many categories to choose from, but we're going to pick health and fitness. And you want to sort this by gravity. The gravity score is just how popular that product is. So you want to pick something above 20. I'm going to pick keto because it's very popular, and this average conversion is about $58 every time there's a sale made. So now what you do is click on promote to get your link. Now copy it. Now go to Pexels.com. Pexels is a royalty-free platform where you can get videos and pics for free. And just type in what's related to your product. Yummy pizza. I'll take that one. Next, you want to go to Pinterest and create a pin. You want to create a good title that's congruent with the picture that you downloaded over there from Pexels. Have a nice little description of what this is about, and then you put your affiliate link right here. Now just promote your pin. So now when somebody clicks on that link and purchases that product, you get paid. This whole process is called affiliate marketing. If you want to learn a little bit more about this, check out my website underneath my profile picture.